Good evening, Batandikayo. I am Pastor Nhlapo, the son of Dr. Gumbi. I want to take this opportunity. I am saddened to notify and announce officially from the family that the general of our time, Dr. Moyeni Simon Gumbi, he has gone to be with the Lord this evening on the 14th of July 2025 after his long illness. We therefore want to let you know that he has gone to be with the Lord. But all the announcement and the necessary arrangement will be communicated in due course. We are serving the living God. He has given us a wonderful Jesus. We are so grateful that the man of God has died in the Lord. He has fought a good fight. We are giving you this notification. May you continue to support and give the necessary support to the family. No posting of any other things except to give the support to the family. We love you all, Batandikayo. We are praying for the success and for the bereavement of our father. May God bless you all. Amen. Thank you so much. May God bless you all.